So if you set it to on, the entire content in this web page you're viewing will be editable. Hi guys, I'm Manusha and I'm a software engineer here at Rootcode. Today I'm here with two useful and fun to use JavaScript tips for you. On to tip number 1. Did you know that you can edit the content of an entire web page using a single JavaScript property? Let's see how. If you open up the browser console and type in document.design mode, you'll be able to see that the initial value is off. So if you set it to on, the entire content in this web page you're viewing will be editable. And it isn't just text that you can edit. You can even move around images and place it anywhere, or even buttons, and play around with it and see how the view will change depending on your changes. This is a quick and awesome way to test the website or the UI components you're building, and is much faster than inspecting each element one by one. But don't let the QAs know about it. On to tip number 2. Object destructuring is something all JavaScript developers use in day-to-day coding, but not everybody knows that you can use it to swap two variables. Let's see how to do that. Let's say we have two variables, a and b. So the traditional way to swap these two variables would be to use a third variable, as you guys know, which is the temporary variable. But with object destructuring, you can do it with just one line of code, which is swapping these two using the destructuring operation, just like this. Now, if we console the value of a and b, we'll be able to see that the values are swapped out. It's a short, clean and expressive approach, and it's something that could get asked in interview questions as well. That's it from me guys. Thank you.